told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never.
All of us want a happy life, but happiness is one of the things which is hard to force and hard to get. In most cases, we don't hunt for it. It comes by itself. But Albert Einstein is telling us that if you want to live a happy life, we need to tie them, the goals, not objects. What does it mean? Albert Einstein meant that you don't need to set your target of happiness or tie your happiness on objects like cars, phones, or any other material things that you love. You don't need to set your happiness on iPhone, not on Volkswagen, not on BMW, and not on the clothes that you wear. Because one day the fashion that you love most right now will expire and become useless. One day the clothes that you love, you may lose weight or become too fat, and it will no longer be useful to you. Tomorrow, iPhone may go down like Nokia. Back those days, before 2012, Nokia was the fashion of technology, especially in the smartphone industry. But everybody was surprised when Nokia collapsed. So don't tie to the objects. Albert Einstein also says you should not tie your happiness to the people. I believe he meant human being change. Today, somebody is your friend. Do we know tomorrow? The next day, you may get to know that this is the very person who is your enemy. Bob Marley said, the friend that you eat with and dine with might be the friend putting poison in your food. This does not wrap up the fact that you should love your people and care for them. But your sole source of happiness should not be solely on the objects and people. Have a goal. You say 2022, I would like to achieve this. In 2022, I would like to create more 200 friends. And if you achieve, you will remain happy. 2022, I would like to construct a building. And if you succeed, in 2023, I would like to open up a charity organization to defend those who are fighting climate change and HIV. And if you succeed in 2022, I'm sure that you will be happy. Set your goal that I want to plant this quantity of apple and harvest this quantity of apple. Surely if you succeed, you will feel what Albert Einstein meant. Thank you.
As you fade away,
yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so